Hi guys, today I'm gonna make some fringe earrings for Barbie. I'm using this thread. I'm gonna start to roll on my finger the thread, and I cut a piece of thread. I put it in the middle. I make a few knots. This is a jump ring. I insert the jump ring on the thread and I make another few knots. I cut the excess of the thread. This is another piece of thread. I roll it. And I secure it with a few knots. I carefully cut the excess. This is one little fringe and I need an eye pin. I open the eye pin, I insert the jump ring, I close it and cut the eye pin, and this is one earring. I will repeat. This is the second one. Very much. Until next time, bye guys.